Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to start a chapter which name is Medieval India. So medieval period is an important era in the Indian history for the development in the field of art, languages, culture and religion. So a quiz about medieval India is given below. Take the correct option. So first is, who was the first Indian ruler who could bring Kabul and Kandahar under Indian Empire only after Kushans? So बच्चे ये क्विज जो है ये medieval period के बारे में है, तो कितना medieval history में जानते हो उसके बारे में क्विज है. तो कौन ऐसा फर्स्ट रूलर था जो काबुल और कंधार को अंडर इंडियन एम्पायर लेकर आया था आफ्टर कुशान? सो दैट इज बाबर. नेक्स्ट इज, in the Indian history which period is called as the golden age of architecture? Golden age of architecture is मुगल period, क्योंकि मुगल period में बहुत सारे architecture जो हैं वो establish हुए हैं. So next is, who forbade the inscriptions of कलमा on coins? कलमा की inscription किसने coin पर print करनी शुरू की? That is in the time of औरंगजेब. Next is, what was the main responsibility of मीर बख्शी during the मुगल era? मुगल era में मीर बख्शी कौन था? वो कौन था बच्चे? वो क्या संभालता था? मिलिट्री डिपार्टमेंट. ठीक है, so he was the military head. Next is, who was the ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire when Raja Vodeyar founded the kingdom of Mysore? Then उस time विजयनगर का ruler था वेंकटा टू. Next is Venkata II. Next is, what was the unit of measurement of land in Maratha dominion? तो मराठा डोमिनोन्स में कितने क्या मेजरमेंट थी? लैंड की यूनिट थी, दैट इज काठी. नेक्स्ट इज, what was the single biggest item of import to the Vijayanagar Empire? That are horses. And next is, who was the author of Tabaqt-e-Akbar? So that is Khwaja Nizamuddin Ahmad. And which Rajput ruler took the advantage of growing weakness of the Mughal Empire after the death of Aurangzeb? That is Savai Jai Singh. And next is, Bhakt Tukaram was contemporary of which Mughal Empire? That is of Jahangir. And which Hindu painter was sent by Jahangir to portray Shah Abbas A of Persia? किसको भेजा गया था? That is of Bishan Das. Next is, who defeated Marathas in the third battle of Panipat? That is Rajputs. And the last is, who defeated Marathas in the third battle of Panipat? Afghans, जिन्होंने मराठास को बीट किया था. So about the fact bank, this you have to know. The empire of Vijayanagar is considered to be one of the biggest Hindu kingdom in the past, and it is still remembered for its glorious contribution for Hinduism. The emperors built many beautiful temples at Hindu deities and saints, and Krishna Devarya was the famous king of this empire. Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagar Empire. So बच्चे पास में विजयनगर एम्पायर जो है वो बिगेस्ट हिंदू किंगडम जो है वो कंसिडर किया जाता था. हम्पी वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ विजयनगर एम्पायर. सो दिस इज द चैप्टर. आई होप आपको समझ आया होगा. एक बार फिर से इसको रीड करेंगे, देन एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस खुद करेंगे.